Onions are not only a versatile ingredient in cooking but also offer numerous health benefits due to their rich nutrient profile and bioactive compounds. Here are some of the key health benefits of onions. 1. Rich in nutrients. Onions are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and manganese. 2. Antioxidant properties. Onions are rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, sulfur compounds, and anthocyanins, in red onions. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage. 3. Heart health. Onions may improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and preventing blood clot formation. The sulfur compounds and quercetin in onions are particularly beneficial for cardiovascular health. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants and sulfur compounds in onions have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce chronic inflammation linked to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. 5. Supports immune system. Onions contain vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and phytochemicals that may enhance immune response and fight infections. 6. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in onions, particularly quercetin and sulfur compounds, may reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as stomach, colorectal, and breast cancer, by inhibiting tumor growth and protecting cells from DNA damage. 7. Improves digestive health. Onions are a good source of dietary fiber and prebiotics, which promote gut health by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This can improve digestion and reduce the risk of digestive disorders. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Onions may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Compounds like quercetin and sulfur may improve insulin sensitivity. 9. Bone health. Some studies suggest that onions may improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, especially in older women, due to their antioxidant properties. 10. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Onions have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help fight off infections caused by bacteria like E. coli and viruses like the flu. 11. May improve sleep and mood. Onions contain folate, which may help reduce depression and improve sleep by regulating serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain. 12. Skin and hair health. The vitamin C in onions supports collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin and hair. Applying onion juice topically is also believed to promote hair growth and reduce scalp infections. Tips for maximizing benefits. Eat onions raw or lightly cooked to preserve their nutrient content. Pair onions with foods rich in iron, like spinach, to enhance iron absorption. Store onions in a cool, dry place to maintain their freshness and nutritional value. While onions are generally safe for most people, excessive consumption may cause digestive discomfort or allergic reactions in some individuals. Always consult a healthcare provider if you have specific health concerns.